go up there. It is gonna be like a tower. It's the smoke of all in there. And it's gonna be, and then Paw Patrol. His name is, Hi, welcome down the Kid Show. Please subscribe to my channel. So now I'm gonna fix the house. Open them. Go in there. Here, and then you can save this up too, and you can put this purple side for this. And then this is the opening place where you get in. You can get over here. Open this. We're gonna make this go all there. Come over here. Are you there? We get in, and like then we be closer in right here. Look closer. This is Paw Patrol by Rocky. Red, blue, black, dark blue, bright blue, neon, yellow, blue, white, red, green, white, and skies, and fly the helicopter. And Rocky and drive the garbage truck. Paw Patrol's guys, right over there. His window. The window's there. They're gonna get it. Oh no. There's an exit. That's the toy. And I would put this up here. And then this guy is gonna be blue. What's this? I don't know what this. Yeah, look at his head. Look how too much buttons. He's a robot baby. That's from an old movie. And Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol got. Hi, please subscribe to my channel.
Sky, Rocky. He named Paw Patrol.
This name's Paw Patrol. And this name's Rocky. Pop. Sky. And then I forgot this one. Orange. You got it? This is it.
Take this off. Over here.
Take this. This took out, and then now you close it right here. Now it looks like that one. Now what's this one gonna do it? I'm gonna put it in there, and just gonna make it. Gonna make the black airplane. This is gonna be. It feels all over me. Looks like a rocket. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly in. I'm gonna make that. And Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. I'm gonna. Now this is gonna fly to that big hill all there. Let's go. We're going to put it up the hill and then roll over. I'm going to do it. Let's go all the way up the hill. Get inside. Ready, set, go. Whoa, how is this that way? I'm gonna do that again. Doing this. found where the button. You used to have a button before. When we just bought it, I had it made down.
My channel.
Oh yeah, the ball.